What is up, guys? So today I have a vintage 1991 NFL football cards that have never been opened. So before we get into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Let's go. Okay guys, so a company called Homage actually sent me this, but look at this. They've never been opened before. They're sealed. 1991 NFL Pacific Pro Football Plus. There's 14 cards in there, guys. It says Super High Gloss Premium Edition. So make sure you like this video for... Okay, so make sure you like this video. Wish me some good luck, alright? So let's go, alright. Oh, wow. That sounds really cool. I don't know if I'm going to know any of these players, but alright. We're going to do it one by one, okay? So... the first one we got is, defensive end Trace Armstrong. And you can tell it's like vintage. Trace Armstrong right there. Trace Armstrong number 1. And then we got Clay Matthews. Yo, what? Clay Matthews. I know who that is. Clay Matthews. That's cool. When he played for the Browns. That's cool. Next one we got Leary Irvin. Sorry if I said these wrong. Leary Irvin. Right there. Next up we got William Fuller. I know him too. William Fuller. He's a linebacker. Or defensive end, my bad. Next up we got Bill Brooks from the Indianapolis Colts. A wide receiver. Never heard of him. Next up we got Ed Reynolds. A New England Patriot linebacker. Ed Reynolds right there, guys. Next up, we got Ricky Jackson. Ricky Jackson, who was a linebacker for the Saints. Yo, this one looks rare. Holy cow. Tim Rosenbach. He was a quarterback for the Cardinals. I do remember him. And then next up, we got Bill Farlett. He was a guard for the Atlanta Falcons. Right there. And next up we got Theorem Thomas. I don't know if I said that right or wrong, but we got Theorem Thomas right there. What? Okay guys, so we got 4 more cards here, so I'm actually super excited. So fourth one we got Mark Carrier, or Career, I don't know if I said it wrong, he's a safety. And then next up we got Kevin Mack, a running back for the Browns, Kevin Mack. And then we got Detroit Lions quarterback Andre Ware. And then we got Sean Jones, a defensive end. And this video wasn't even sponsored. Look at this. Super high gloss. It's super cool. We got all of them right here. Guys, this is crazy. I'm just like, this packaging is like super cool. Okay, so if you didn't see my recent video where I caught something random in my pond, make sure you go and check it out. I am posting a new video every 100 likes. So if this video gets 100 likes, we're getting a new vlog, guys. And I got some random boxes coming in soon too. So I opened up a random box the other day. I got the fish. I got so much. So yeah, go and check those videos out, guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe because it really benefits me. And if you're from my text gang, make sure you comment down below you're from text gang. I'm also giving away some G Fuel stuff I got in the mystery box a couple days ago. So I'll give away 4 random cards to people that subscribe to me, like this video, and comment a football emoji down below. So I love you all. Follow all my social medias at Bright Smith. Don't forget 100 likes, new video. Peace.